Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you doing all? So in this video I'll talk about the accessories I've installed from the Nexa showroom on my Grand Vitara. So at the end I also have the seat covers video, please watch till the end. So this is a Delta variant which I've booked, and this is how the Delta variant looks like without any of the accessories installed. And no roof rails, any of the extras, nothing is done. So this is a small walk around video of the car before the accessories have been installed. So do comment if you like the basic look of this car. So coming up next, so I'll talk about the accessories installed on my car. So the first thing are the alloy wheels. So I've replaced all my existing wheels to the alloy wheels. So these are the wheels which you will be seeing on the top models like in Zeta and Alpha. So these definitely give the car a better look than the wheel caps. And after that, the second thing I've installed is the door side beading, which is in chrome. So this is attached at the bottom of the doors on both the sides. So below that also there is something called side skirt, which I've skipped it. I didn't like the way it looks like. So the next thing what I'll talk about are the door visors. So now since it has this quarter panel glass, so it has three things, and the quarter panel glass will not have the chrome strip, but the other two windows you will get the chrome strip. So there is also something called without chrome. They call it blacked out or smoked out. So it is of your choice what you want to take it. So the next thing I've installed are the roof rails. So these roof rails are definitely good looking on this car because this is kind of a big car, and this definitely enhances the look of the car. The next thing I want to talk about is this rear bumper, which is in glossy black. So this is this comes on top of the silver bumper already, which is on the car. So the next thing are the mud flaps. So these are very much important, or the basic needs. And the last thing is the number plate frame. This is the picture of the car without any of the accessories installed. So for your reference, I want to keep both sides to each other, and this is the car with the accessories installed. You can see how different the car looks like. So it is completely changeover or a makeover, you can say. And this is a small video also. So this is a video of the car with no accessories installed, the basic Delta variant which the company gives us. And this is the video of the car with all the accessories I've shown are installed, and you can see how big the car looks like and how it enhances the look of the car. So these are the list of accessories I've installed from the Nexa. So altogether I've negotiated for 50,000 because alloy wheels itself are costly, and this Delta variant of Grand Vitara gets a fabric set of seats. This definitely is not matching with the car's interior, so I went ahead and upgraded my fabric to the leather seats. So these are the seat covers which I've installed. So do comment how do you like these seat covers. So these fit perfectly well for the seats, so it doesn't change the shape of the seat. So that is all guys. So do comment how do you like this video, and I'll be posting more videos about the accessories and the Grand Vitara. Thank you all for watching. Bye.